Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this episode, I'm going to show you the equipment that I use on the set of my photo shoot, and one by one I'm going to highlight each equipments and their functions as well. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Victoria Zarati. I've been modeling for about 6 years now, and I'm really excited to be a part of this project.
We are using MS300 Godox. It comes with a Bowens mount reflector, a model ambient light which gives 60 watt power. You can control the light with this light button. This is a 7-inch conical snood mount, comes with honeycomb grid and 4 different color gels. We would also use a barn door which fits into a Bowens mount and also comes with 3 different color gels and honeycomb grid. We would use an umbrella by Godox for our continuous light shots, which is by Godox. Let's see the results.